Hi students, today we're going to start a new chapter in EVS. That is chapter number 8, Our Need for Water. Students, when you cry, what flows from your eyes? Tears. When you see a tamarind pod, what happens to your mouth? Your mouth started watering. When you have cold, what happens to your nose? Water runs from your nose. When you get hurt or when you get a cut, what happens? It bleeds. So students, what does this tells us? This tells us that tears, saliva, water running from the nose and blood are present in our body. They are substances that flow. They contain water. So students will going to try this small experiment. Take a small piece of cucumber, grate it and squeeze it hard. Then take a slice of lemon and squeeze it hard. Students, what do you see? We see that juice flows out of the grated cucumber and the lemon slice. Then my dear students, what does this tells us? This tells us that there is water in a cucumber and a lemon. Students, do you know why do we feel thirsty? Yes, my dear students. Come, I'll explain you. We need water if our body has to function properly. Water keeps our blood thin. Water helps to digest our food. Unwanted substances leave our body through urine. We must have enough of water in our body at all times. When there is lack of water in our body, we get thirsty. Like us, other living things too need water. Now students, look at this picture very carefully and tell me which animal is drinking water at the river bank? Yes, my dear students, all can see? Yes, very good. Goats are drinking water at the river bank. Now tell me students, who is playing in the river? Say it properly. Who is playing? Boys are playing in the river. Now students, some people are carrying water home. For what purpose they will use this water? Yes, my dear students. Yes, they will use this water to take bath, to wash clothes, to wash utensils, and to clean their house, and for many other things. Students, do you know what is a public source of water? Come, I'll explain you. In many villages, cows, buffaloes, and goats come to the river or pond to drink water. Grass and other bushes can be seen growing near the water hole. Animals bathe themselves in it. Birds like the lapwing, kingfisher, and egret can also be seen around the water source. People from the village wash their clothes in it. They carry water to use at home. Students, do you know people who keep animals provide drinking water to them without fail? We know that these animals too get thirsty, but there are thousands of other animals. We do not realize that they too need water, like ant, honeybee, crabs, scorpion, and all other animals need water. Students, can you tell why do we go near a water hole in a jungle to see wild animals? Students, anyone know about this? Okay, I will explain you. Wild animals also need water. They come to a water hole in the forest when they are thirsty. So people too go there in order to sight the wild animals. Students, now we will see the importance of water. People need water not only for drinking but also for cooking and cleaning. We need water for agriculture. We need water for industry. Water is very important in our lives. Students, now we will try this small experiment. Take 2 potted plants of equal growth. Label them as 1 and 2. Every morning for the next 5 days, water only plant 1. Do not water plant 2. Students, then what do you see? Plant 2, which was not watered, slowly dries up. Plant 1 look fresh and green. What does this tells us? This tells us that plant need water to live. Students, do you know that plants need water? Come, let's see. We water our potted plants. Farmers water the crops in their field. Could these plants live without water? Students, if we do not water the plants, what will happen? They will die. Thus, we see that plants, like animals, need water. Students, do you know some plants like bulrushes grow only in water? We can try our best to grow them in soil, but they cannot survive there. The lotus, water chestnut, and hyacinth are also plants that grow in water. Students, now it's time for you to think. The trees in the forest also need water to grow. From where do they get the water they need? Anyone know? Okay. Rainwater seeps into the soil. Roots of plant spread deep into the soil. These roots absorb the water that has seeped into the soil. So students, what we have learned today? Living things need water. There is water in the bodies of living things. That is why the body keeps working properly. We get thirsty when there is a lack of water in our body. Many villages have common source of water from which water is taken for use at home. Certain birds and plants are commonly found near such sources. We need water not only for drinking but also for cleaning, cooking, growing crops and for industry too. The roots of plant go deep into the soil and absorb water. Students, always remember, everyone should take care to keep the public source of water clean. It is each one's responsibility to do so. Thank you, students. Bye.